Good morning children. Welcome to today's computer class. Today we are going to discuss about the control panel. The control panel is a component of the Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. To open the control panel, click the Start button on the taskbar and then click Control Panel on the Start menu. After opening the control panel window, you can view and use various options available for different purposes. For example, you can change the display properties. You can change the display of your computer. You can increase or decrease the brightness and contrast of the display panel or monitor by changing the settings called display properties. You can change these settings by clicking on Display option in the large icons view of the control panel, or you can directly access it by right-clicking on the desktop. Here you can see the Appearance and Personalization option, which can help you to change the display settings. You can also change the setting of the mouse. A mouse is a useful pointing and selecting device. A mouse has three options. You can change these settings by clicking on the mouse option in the large icon view of the control panel, or by locating and clicking on mouse under hardware and sound option in the category wise view of the control panel. Look here, picture showing the three buttons of the mouse. The middle button is also known as the scroll wheel. The left mouse button is used to click or move the pointer to any position on the screen. The right mouse button is used to click to bring up other menus. The middle button or the scroll wheel helps to move or scroll up and down the pages. Look here, the picture is showing the tab to change the mouse settings. You can also change the date and time settings. You can set the date and time by simply right-clicking on the displaying date and time on the rightmost side on the taskbar and then selecting Adjust Date and Time option as shown below. Here you can see the options for changing the date and time. You can also change the way the date and time is to be displayed, and the most important thing is the time zone. In order to let the system automatically update date and time correctly, you have to set the correct time zone. For India, it is plus 5.30 as shown in the picture. So children, today's assignment is question number 1. How many buttons are there in a typical mouse? Answer: a mouse has 3 buttons. Number 2. Draw a mouse showing its 3 buttons. You have to draw the picture of the mouse showing the 3 buttons. Number 3. How can you change the display settings of a computer? Answer: we can change the display settings by clicking on the display option in the large icons view of the control panel, or we can directly access it by right clicking on the desktop. So children, write down these answers in your notebook and learn the answers with their spellings. That's all in today's class. Thank you.